Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, Aquarius. These are for your daily energy, Aquarius. For your love energy, we'll be picking cards from another deck. So that is for your career situation and love energy, guys. This is for your career situation, Aquarius, and this is for your love energy, and one card from the angel oracle guidance. So this is the card. I'll leave it here. We will open that card as we proceed, guys, into the reading. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's Nine of Pentacles, the Hermit in reverse, and Page of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you may be seeing certain obstacles in your work or in your personal life. You are confident about some things, but you may see certain obstacles in proceeding in that right direction. It may be some circumstance or some people, and you are trying to be very precautious today, taking extra precautions in your position because you don't want that failure. You are trying to avoid some negative situations. So maybe you are trying to avoid meeting with certain people in your work because you may feel that your connection, your relationship is not good, and it may come in the way of some signing of some deals or some projects. So you are trying to avoid going into that meeting, and you are making other people do that work for you, or it may be something to do with your personal life. You are trying to avoid meeting this person because there is something you want to get over first, maybe some past hurt with this person. So, and also I see here that whatever difficulties that you are facing today, guys, you may solve it promptly. So maybe these difficult times are coming to an end. That is also what I see here. So maybe that may be the reason you are waiting for these difficulties to end before proceeding or taking that next step forward, Aquarius. So let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. The Moon. So with this card in your career situation, guys, it may mean that you are simply dreaming about your work, maybe your future, about the great opportunities that you may get and how things may go. So maybe whatever you are thinking or whatever you are dreaming for yourself, it is not based on the concrete truth. So sometimes you have to do that work what is necessary, and maybe dreams are necessary, but today that is not the right time for those dreams to manifest, guys. That may be the energy here. So you have great dreams for yourself, but maybe this is not the right time. So at the perfect time, these dreams will begin to manifest. That is what this card is about. So you have to have that trust in those dreams, but you should also be aware of what is really going on in your present day life, guys. That is what this card is about, guys, Aquarius. And for your relationship, the Hangman. So in your relationship, just like the card here, guys, you don't know what you want to do, so you are surrendering to that situation or circumstance, however it is unfolding for you. Maybe things are out of control and you don't know what to do to bring that harmony and balance in the situation, and you're just waiting for the circumstance to play it out. So you are sacrificing your feelings and you are simply surrendering to however things are unfolding in your life today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. Let us see what is your oracle guidance. Love. So with this card, this is a general guidance, guys, what we can do every day to make things go in a better way in our life. So that is why we pick an oracle card every day. So love is what is the core of our being, guys, and true love is not about possession and judgment. It is that heartfelt compassion we have for each other and for our own self. And when we respect, care and accept what that other person is in the true sense, we will develop that sense of belonging in that connection. And we should not be afraid to love that person with that open heart, and same way we should also not be afraid to accept that love from others. When we do that, we will heal ourselves and we will see that world is filled with love. So that is the guidance with this card, Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.